Politics over buses that is currently raging on between UP government and the Congress leadership. Remember, buses were given permission firstly by the UP government to the Congress leadership to allow 1,000 buses. But then when it really came to these buses entering the borders of UP, certain anomalies were found by the authorities, which the Congress, of course, is strongly contesting. What has happened, in fact, is over the past 48 hours now, 900 buses are stranded at the UP border due to this entire political bickering that has taken place. The politics over the stranded migrant workers has only heated up now because there has been 2 arrests of Congress leaders for staging protests. So that's the current situation. In fact, Abhishek Manu Singhvi just a short while ago clearing the air, talking about how these buses are being prevented to help the migrants and that the UP government should refrain from politics. So let's tell you the exact ground situation. At least 79 buses have returned to Rajasthan UP border after they were stopped by UP administration at Agra last afternoon. These were buses that were going from Rajasthan to Noida and Ghaziabad. And they were, of course, attempting to enter the state via Agra. That is where they are being intercepted. These buses are not being allowed to enter. The reason cited is that they do not have the valid documents or the fitness certificate, which was in fact sought by the UP government in the first place. The buses were supposed to go to Noida and Ghaziabad via Agra. However, they are still stranded. Times Network spoke to some of the drivers of these stranded buses who alleged that the RTO, that is the Regional Transport Officer, has sent these buses to the border and they have been asked to wait there till 4 p.m. today. Siddhant brings us this report. Let's listen in.
After the first day of letter exchanges between the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's office and Priyanka Gandhi's office, today is the second day of face-off, and currently we are reporting from Bharatpur border in Rajasthan. So this is Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan border. Yesterday, the buses which Congress people were taking to Ghaziabad and Noida were not allowed by Uttar Pradesh administration, citing reasons that instead of buses there are two-wheelers, three-wheelers and goods carriers in the list given by the Congress leader. Not just that, the allegation had also come from Uttar Pradesh government that most of these vehicles are not fit. These vehicles doesn't have enough paperwork also, and this is the reason that out of 1,000, only 582 vehicles are fit. This is the reason that we are not allowing bus inside the Uttar Pradesh. Now you can see at Bharatpur border, more than 500 buses are currently parked from the border, from the place where border starts and till the 4-kilometer patch. You can see these are the drivers, those who have driven these buses from various districts of Rajasthan, and they have been waiting for green signal to go ahead. ये बताइए कहाँ से आए आप?
राजस्थान से।
राजस्थान कहाँ से? दौसा से आए हैं। कागज बस का पूरा कंप्लीट है? तो अभी क्या बताया गया आपको, क्या बोल रहे हैं?
सवारी लेके जानी है,
यहाँ से सवारी लेके जानी है। कहाँ पे?
दौसा, राजस्थान में।
वापस?
हाँ।
अब आगे नहीं जाएंगे?
नहीं।
क्यों?
आगे के लिए हमारी परमिशन नहीं आई भी।
परमिशन नहीं है। आप बताइए, आप कहाँ से हैं?
दौसा से आए हैं।
हाँ।
यूपी के अंदर भेजेगा, यहाँ से कोई सवारी है?
सवारी आएगी। भेजेंगे यहाँ से सवारी आएगा।
यूपी के अंदर।
किसने भेजा है आप लोगों को? दौसा से किसने बसें भेजी है?
आरटीओ साहब ने भेजी है।
आरटीओ साहब ने भेजी। कौन है आरटीओ साहब?
डीटीओ साहब हैं, उनका नाम तो खैर मालूम नहीं है।
हाँ।
2 जने हैं, उन्होंने सभी गाड़ियों को करौली, दौसा, भरतपुर सबकी गाड़ी यहाँ पे।
सबकी गाड़ियाँ यहाँ भेज दी है। अच्छा, तो ये बताइए कि उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार बोल रहा है कि जो बसें हैं उनकी परमिशंस नहीं हैं, उनके पास कागज़ पूरे नहीं हैं, तो ये बात सही है? हाँ,
कंप्लीट है।
हाँ,
जिसके कागज कंप्लीट है ना, जिसके
हाँ।
डॉक्यूमेंट्स गाड़ी कंप्लीट है, वही गाड़ी आएगी।
सिर्फ वही गाड़ी आई है और कोई गाड़ी नहीं है?
बाकी कोई गाड़ी नहीं।
अच्छा, तो अभी क्या बोल रहे हैं कि 4 बजे तक रुकना पड़ेगा?
4 बजे के लिए बोल रहा है कि भाई 4 बजे भेजेंगे आपको। रात को कह के गया था 4 बजे के लिए।
Okay, so there you see, these are the drivers, those who have come driving these buses from Dausa district in Rajasthan, and they are still waiting at Bharatpur border. Now what they are telling me is that we have complete papers of the buses. At the same time, the RTO of Rajasthan government had sent us here, and we've been told yesterday night that till 4 in the evening we have to wait at border because we are waiting for green signal from the Uttar Pradesh government. Now yesterday was a day of exchange of letters between the office of Yogi Adityanath and Priyanka Gandhi. Politics played really high. the Congress leaders were detained, arrested and taken to the Agra police station. At the same time, the series of FIRs were also registered at Hazratganj police station in Lucknow. FIR was registered against the private secretary of Priyanka Gandhi and UPCC chief. At the same time, one FIR got registered at Agra, and the Congress ruled Rajasthan state also registered FIR against DM Agra and Avinish Awasthi, additional chief secretary in Uttar Pradesh government, for not allowing buses in the Uttar Pradesh state. So now this is the second day of face-off. The buses are still here at Bharatpur border. No green signal from the Uttar Pradesh government, but Congress leaders are saying they will again reach borders today. They'll push Uttar Pradesh government to take these buses in the borders so that they can go to Ghaziabad and Noida, and from there they can ferry migrants to their respective destinations.
Well, in this entire face-off, there has been several exchange of letters. The letter, in a fresh letter, in fact, written by UP Government Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi, she has said that the buses will now remain there where they are stopped at the border till 4 p.m. They are not going to budge. In her letter, she added that the buses were made to wait for the entire day yesterday, and they will continue to wait there till 4 p.m. today until the issue is sorted out. And she, in fact, requested that the migrants should not be subjected to this kind of a torture and be stranded there at the border.